like I'm floating.
Rather than CES 2024 in Las Vegas, they are hitting the premises of the Tokyo Car Beauty Salon 2024 with special things that won't concern America, a livery with STI goodies, a BRZ STI sporting activity outdoor decked with extra Subaru Technica International rewards, and finally a WRX S4 STI sporting activity treated with a hotter version. However, none of them will certainly be readily available in the United States anytime quickly. That is even as Subaru discovered an exceptional uptick in sales in America throughout in 2015. They had 13.6% far better distributions than throughout the exact same period of 2022. Actually, the next best point you can have from the Japanese automaker in regards to high-performance all-terrain cars is the fresh TR version that retails for an unbelievable $41,655. That makes it a lot much more costly than the last WRX STI and not that terrific, mostly because it's not extra effective and still appears like a dull sedan when it need to be an event of what made the WRX collection so quirky that it drew in an extremely young audience. Looking a lot less mature than the existing Subaru WRX or WRX TR from the real world, this theoretical WRX STI casually goes back to America from the identical worlds of automobile CGI with the euphoric ignorance of a car that does not understand that everything is now about crossovers, SUVs, and vehicles, or that both Subaru and Mitsubishi have actually deserted the WRX STI and Lancer development way of life. So, would certainly you like to see this high performance on the street, complete with its large wind-resistant set, wide-body parts, stiffer suspension setup, sportier balanced AWD arrangement, and the timeless blue livery decorated with carbon fiber components plus darker gold wheels? Or are we past the minute when rally-inspired autos were also helpful for the streets? Anyway, regarding Subaru is concerned, they're well developed for the 2024 model year, and the only 2023 MY still up for grabs is the $45,000 Solterra all-electric brother or sister of the Toyota BZ4X. As a matter of fact, they likewise have a 2025 design year, the 6th generation Forester compact crossover SUV that's pertaining to the market in spring.